mind's on fire.
My mind's on fire. Let's take a trip through it, see what we can find. Yeah. Growing up in the 90s, shit was amazing. The proceeds was a handful, a wonderful blazing. Smoke from day to night to daylight savings. Mom was all fucked, it's the day and I'm stargazing. Taking this opportunity, the European economy ruined our communities. Back in the 60s, even the 70s, the 80s, they took 100,000 moldies from their families. Threw them in state care, and even in jail we used them as puppets, their sounds controlling. And to this day it's all the same, so I'ma change my mindset and keep this flame. When it rains it pours, Kobe's mindset's all about fuck the system and the law. Suck these nuts and swallow my shit and some more. When it rains it pours, I don't give a damn about any of all you. I'ma handle mine and make sure I'm fit. I ain't suck my teeth. It's the year 2023, my mindset's all about getting mine. Work the body, shape it up in time. I ain't hitting no decline. Before you try to take mine, the struggle will be harder than getting chased from the one time. Ain't nothing changed, people doing the same old shit. Flipping chip just to get a fix or rip anyone or suck on a thumb. Take it up the bum, even swallow some cum. When it rains or pours, can definitely tell you it's either mine or yours, cause I ain't lit, no competition. Fuck with my coalition, Kobe J13, the general practitioner. When it rains, it pours, Kobe's mindset's all about fuck the system and the law. Suck these nuts and swallow my shit and some more. When it rains, it pours, I don't give a damn about any of all y'all. I'ma handle mine and make sure I'm fit. I ain't suck my dick. Let's took a trip through my mind just to see what we could find. Fuck the system and the law. When it rains, it pours. Kobe J13, moving part of motherfuckers.